We chose Artome system because it is flexible and performs well in our multi-use classroom spaces. We can get various screen sizes out of the Artome solution depending on how many students there are in the classroom, and if we need to merge classrooms into a bigger classroom, then Artome meets the need for this kind of flexibility.
Flexibility is one of the key features of the Finnish education system. We are curious, we are flexible. All comes down to the spaces where we work. All comes down to the AV technology as well. So they all must support each other.
A meaningful moment when I was using the Artome is from last week. I was on a sick leave, I had quite the flu, and I was working from home and I had a substitute. And because I'm a teacher of visual arts, I still wanted to connect with the classroom through Google Meet. And I connected to the classroom and I said to the students, like, is there somebody there that could use Artome to connect and show their work on the wall? And then the students were like, yeah, I know how to do it. And I was at home through Google Meet. I had a substitute in the classroom and one student was still presenting their own work.
Artome helped us with the construction phase enormously because there is always changes to plans, but with Artome there is virtually no hassle because we only need an electricity outlet, and those we have.
We were able to cut costs in planning and cabling significantly. So I would say we saved some 30% of the AV cost easily.
The students absolutely love the use of Artome, and it's not because only that I can show large images or high-quality videos. It's because in my classroom we do these socio-interactive learning scenarios, and it means that we're working on something together. And then the students get the chance to actually project from their own laptops to the wall, and everybody else is also checking it at the same time. And that's also one of the core of my teaching and learning.
Artome offers much less headache than conventional AV systems.